Hi, I'm Tessa from Studio Jane, and I'm teaming up with Kid Made Modern and Michaels to give you some inspiration for a DIY gift. We'll be using the Kid Made Modern Arts and Crafts Library to make a medal to show the parent in your life that they're number one.
To make your own blue ribbon, we'll be using fuzzy sticks, felt strips, rhinestones, and sequins, which can all be found in your Kid Made Modern Arts and Crafts Library. In addition, we'll need yarn, cardboard, scissors, glue dots, and a safety pin. Our first step today will be making our pom-pom, and to do that, we'll be making our own template. Using a piece of cardboard, draw an H-like shape at the top and then carry your line all the way down. Using a pair of scissors, cut out your template. Now that your template is ready to use, take your yarn, holding one side onto one of the prongs sticking out of the top of your template, and wrap the yarn around and around both sides of the top of your template. Continue wrapping the yarn until you have a large bundle. Next, take an extra piece of yarn about 6 to 8 inches, go through the center of your template and around the top of the bundle of yarn to create a knot. Slide your yarn bundle off of your template and using a pair of scissors, cut the loops free on either side of your knot. To give your pom-pom a haircut, using your scissors, trim off any extra long pieces of yarn to make a rounded, fluffy pom-pom. Be sure to leave one long piece in order to tie it on to the ribbon at the end. Next up, it's time to make the blue ribbon itself. Using a pin or marker, draw a pointed shape at the bottom of your felt strip. Using your scissors, cut both corners off to reveal a pointed end on the bottom of your felt strip. Every blue ribbon needs a little bit of sparkle. Using glue dots, add a row of sequins at the top of your felt strip. Next, we'll use a gold fuzzy stick to make a number 1 symbol to go in the center of your blue ribbon. Bend the top of your fuzzy stick to create a number 1 and then cut off any excess. Next, cut an inch or so piece to be the bottom border of your number 1. Using the glue dot on either end of your fuzzy stick pieces, attach them in the center of your blue ribbon. Now it's time to attach our safety pin on the back so your ribbon can be worn. Cut an extra piece of felt about 2 inches by 1/2 inch. Using glue dots, layer the piece of felt over one side of your safety pin at the top of your ribbon. This will keep it in place and still be wearable. Now it's time to add your adorable pom-pom at the bottom. Bend the tip of your felt and cut a small hole using your scissors. Thread the extra piece of yarn through the hole at the bottom of your ribbon and tie your pom-pom on. Trim any excess yarn and flip over your ribbon. Continue to add any extra embellishments such as more sequins, rhinestones, or more.
Now that you've finished your own blue ribbon at home, it's ready to gift. Wrap it up and make sure to add your safety pin on the back so it's ready to wear. Thanks so much for joining me and happy gifting.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And for more fun inspiration and craft kits, check us out at KidMadeModern.com. Thanks, and I can't wait to see you all again for the next video.